flat. Which part money? Which part the money? We okay then? We okay then? Where money? Money, brother. Money, phone, lender. Wrap them everything. Where money? Phone.
Alright, SAC, so some things that I'm more think very important to share in the division. I watched last night, some man dressed as police, private motor car, right near Campion, there's one gated community, The man then go there, security let them in, then go to the Chinese them apartment, tell them so them suspect them of selling and custom goods, or having and custom goods, cigarette and them thing there. Go in at the premises, search, and between $8 to $12 million them get. Take one of the Chinese man them put back in the car, say man carry him go off the tree. And when security let them back out, him drive go down the road. Them drive go run down the road and let out the Chinese man and give him back him phone. Robbery. You hear me say? And remember say this happened right at Waltham and Maxfield, the Chinese them. So man them pose as police and pull off that, You get me I say? And then me I hear since night say some man did pose as police and must kidnap a scammer already Ridley's Road. And the man ransom and then release him, get money and release him. So I show you say this is so dangerous because if man a pose as police and then them buck up in a police might jack them guard, if you're not very observant. You might drop your guard, and if you're very alert and aware and you realize and pick up say man them are the real police, then you know say it's a shootout that cause them and them equipped with gun. Alright, one robbery like that going in a Portmore already too. I want supermarket, them and them have all gun on them foot. Private motor vehicle, rob one Chinese store. You get to me I say? Fully kit out, pose as police. Imagine them and they encounter police now, so it's very risky that I'm hard in the division. So I just feel everybody for them on the same page, no police don't know. Because even other stories when we do like here tonight, we learn them, but we know about the one the last night, so be very careful. Be very careful and alert and observant. When you don't buck up in nobody, we say them are police or, you know the game, isn't it?
Don't stop. Money. We okay then. Way money. Money, brother. Money, phone, lender. Wrap them everything. Where money, phone. Where you still want on this? No. Which part is it? You can ring for my clothes. Which house door? Where my key on the floor? Which one? Which one? In the key one on? No, in where? Inside.
Yes, my subscribers, that was another video, and I hope your guy full joyed, right? I hope your guy learn from it. You see, master people, right? Not because a Chinese get robbed and all these things. People, remember, it can happen to you too, right? It can happen to your family member, a friend, anyone. So people, watch this. Is some guy coming in a uniform, I say my police, because I put away the people, right? Look here, confirm it first. Make them show us some IDs. Make them show us something, right? Confirm, say yes, them is police, right? Them are real police. You understand what I say, people? People, like and share this video. Subscribe, people. Thumbs up, people. I don't know the people. Shop boss love you. So you what? Stay safe. Yeah, man.